Hi, my name is Heather Steele, and this is my topic and research question assignment. So the topic I chose was technology. I thought technology is everywhere, it's growing and developing day by day, and these advancements in technology, especially in literacy, could really enhance the learning in our classrooms. The actual research question I asked was, what kind of an effect do these technology advancements in literacy have on students with learning disabilities? So my purpose is to find out the impact of the technology advancements in literacy for students with learning disabilities. In my preliminary hypothesis, I said that technology, which we use in our day-to-day lives, positively impacts students with learning disabilities. The advancements in literacy are critical to incorporate into our classrooms in order to effectively meet the needs of our students and help them reach their full potential. There were many different kinds of evidence that I think I can use to evaluate this hypothesis. The rate of independence being one could be measured from a beginning usage of technology to a chosen end period, and you can compare the results from the before and after scenarios. I'm pretty sure you could see quite a big difference when looking at those kind of things. Standardized assessment scores could also be key to finding how powerful the impact is when using technology advancements. Simple observations could also be used to show the ease of access compared to times when advanced technology is not used. It's pretty easy to see when a student is getting frustrated because they don't understand something, and then when you try a different way to approach it or using a different technology, see that light bulb kind of turn on, and you can tell that they really do understand what you're talking about. Everyone's kind of been giving an idea of why they chose what they did, and mine was a pretty simple equation: therapeutic writing plus reading/literature. I volunteered at a therapeutic writing center for a couple of years when I was in Kansas, and it got me to meet a variety of people. I worked with a variety of people from the ages of 4 to 55, I'm pretty sure, and I worked with almost any disability you can think of, so it really was a wonderful experience for me, especially as a teacher. And reading and literacy is my passion, so the two coupled together was pretty perfect. And then I asked myself the question, since our classrooms are going to be filled with students that don't always have the best advantages, how can we help them to succeed? And that got me thinking about all my classes and how I've used technology in every single one. And some of the first ones, you do is starting with things like Google+, and it's not stuff I'm good at. I'm really not techno-savvy or tech-savvy or whatever you call it at all. So I thought about my own strengths and weaknesses and how I would really wish that technology could be a strength, because I have seen it work and I have seen its importance, and that by itself is pretty interesting. So I thought to myself, well, why not start there? And that is pretty much all that I can say. Thank you for